cup mixtures is known as medical products and respiratory syrups homemade products cup syrups homemade products ginger plus good plus cup syrups medical products expectorants cup mixtures. Number 2, separations cup mixtures. Number 3, combination cup mixtures. Then expectorants cup mixtures in the silasina, Matian Pang, mucus, Napova, lungs, the Giana, line and low Kudopaki, Hida in a Sine, Aduga, for example, ambroxoles, announcing the Sutava Tene. Number 2, suppressant cup mixtures in say Masizu frequently low Kuba, Amasun severity and Helakanda Masiki. Mixture type Masiki, medicine testing, Amangsina, doctors in the Lubaka, Kodai, and a Kangal group C, Tawawe, Ado, Positivus, the Torisini, Antoina, cup shirta, Nahas, Galapus, abuse only used to is a land combination cup mixtures, combine expectorants and expression ingredients, and Anisimam Yawa, what Animam Yawa, Makalgi. For example, I have the dextromo, torpen, Hariba, Makalgi, Sidaki, as I get expectorants, suppressants, cup mixtures, and is combined to Makalgi. Aduga uses in a hijack cup relief over, mucus relief over, symptom management having a look to the Naba, I think Matamori prevent over management on the Sydney. Atopamana was a side effect, common way I quit in Hungary, drowsiness, Umba, Atopamana, allergy and the hand side effect, and then Atopa, last one, Amana, overused or misused or Masina. Dependence or the addiction to was the Sigma away. Atopa point dealing with drug use. I point out drug use, combine guilt over the game, menace over the game. I will say number 1, take medicine or drugs only when it is prescribed by the physicians. Harmful effect they have to say. Hadana use to users key, till Hadana to Baraman in a dose. Aduga, number 2, say no when offers harmful substances. Canada report, I quite have some so other things that they will know having a quite a farm decision later. Number 3, we should keep busy all the time with sports, hobbies, then yogas, and positive friends. I am always busy, don't know about my interest. I said, Dominus, and I must general consciously. Aduga, Icham Samba, symbol rule, we should use medicine for health. Don't use drugs for pleasure. The school they went up to Wiyama, silent school to Wiyama say drug users ki matanda, misuse ki type masiki can say awareness program piba, education piba. For example, in the assembly Numikuningi na dragasu once in a week amada drugs substances misuse to Wimatanda, abuse to Wimatanda, lands to Wimatanda, awareness program, education piba. Number 2, the personal skills, but to combine. I got the skill girl to I got drugs as the command like cook the Hagagi, no high skills in Anamiba, that family to role model Nama Pasna, Karibuba family, Sava Yorgani Maduna, Sadana Muktas, I got model Moina Mama Pasu, I got Sarisa Yantama, then school role Hagagi was asking to my misuse of the Nama, I got Sarah Sinsu misuse of the Nama activities. क्या लोकल का वजास्ते रोड के अमल होन बा कोई कम्युनिटी इन्वॉल्वमेंट का होन बा कोई चंदा दिवस सोशल लाइफ कोई सन्नबी में आन जिनसे ड्रग याव ग्रामा निशायाव के लिए आते हैं ना जिनबा मक्खल की कैनोसिंग से कोई अवॉइड तो बा then angang sinda early treatment early support का होड़ के लिए कोई से कोई ना दूंगी पिलर होए का तो बस citizen of the country होए का तो से कोई ना कंबा कंगने है तो कोई ना treatment तो विवाह support तो विवाह in the early stage दा at the last call in roll about that prevention is better than cure. I quite rooted or a cancer one day among the ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯐꯨꯜꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯏꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁ ꯆꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯂꯣꯟꯖꯔꯤ